Hi guys, my name is Abdul and you're watching Abdul and Hassan. Welcome to my new video. Today we will roam around in our village and I will show you different pets and birds. After playing a little more, we will proceed to our mission. Here Abu Bakr is teaching me how to kick football. See the hen sitting on the roof. This is my great grandmother's house, and with the grace of Almighty, she is still alive, and may Allah give her health in a long life. Ameen. Now let's catch pigeons. ये white और black वाला कैसे? I'm a little scared, but it's quite fun. Hassan's scared too. I'm gonna try again. Why are his legs moving? I won't. Abu Bakr is so brave. All the pigeons are scared. Wow, look at this black one. Fatma's turn to hold it. Good job. Marwa's turn. Now Mariam will hold it. Wow, look at the view. Let's go to the chickens now. It's time for their lunch. Here I am playing with sand. It's really fun to play with it. Hassan sitting on the side. This is Hashim. Isn't he cute? He will play with us too when he grows up. Now we're going to another house which has lots of more stuff. These children are playing Abdul. We're here. See, it's so beautiful, just like a garden. It reminds me of a poem. आओ आओ बाग में जाएं दी बहलाएं चल कर देखे फूल रंगीले नीले पीले गहरे गहरे हल्के हल्के रंग हम देखें उनके चल के बाग की क्यारी क्यारी देखे कलियां प्यारी प्यारी देखे खूब सुने चिड़ियों का गाना बुलबुल और कोयल का तराना. This is in my Urdu book and I learned it a few days ago. There are some hens here too. They're so scared. They're running away. I'm chasing one of them. This is the kitchen. They make their food here. They use some sticks for fire. Me and Miriam are acting like a chicken now. I'm so excited. Next, we're going to see ducks. That's where I'm running. Look at this dog. He looks like a statue. Yay, we reached. Can you see these ducks? They look so nice. They're moving on in the group. Look at these chicks. They are all gathered at the same place. Now it's time for them to eat. Look how nicely they're eating. The bigger ducks are coming. Here they are. The smaller ducks are scared from them. That's why they're running away. Did you like it? Now we're at a shop. This shop has everything. Literally everything. They have egg, treats, grocery, vegetables, toys, and stationery. I got some treats from here. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Abdul and Hassan. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.